Wow, she came in there. Nah. She came in really aggressive. I am sorry. Let's run that back. What? I didn't see that coming. Oof.
I can't apologize.
Why? Why would you apologize for having this kind of voice? Are you mad? What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I go by the name of Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi, and we are out here reviewing Nigerian music. So definitely subscribe, hit the like button, share, tell a friend, all that good stuff. Okay. Definitely today's an exciting one. I am excited to check out this new artist, Maven activated. Okay, new Maven activated. We are out here, Ayra Starr. Okay, everyone's been making a lot of noise. There's been a lot of noise. I've been looking forward to this moment to be getting a chance to review and react to this artist for my first instance. I was going to react to the video, but I thought it makes better sense to react to the music first, to review the music first, and then we get into the video. So far, what do we know about Ayra Starr? This is an artist that they've been developing on the back end for a while. I'm looking at this trajectory is the same way as Rema was rolled out. Immediately came out with an EP, and that's what we're here with. We're here with a body of work, and which is a good way. It's a good way to like to present an artist, because we can see like their range. We can see a lot of what makes them like. What makes them so special to the point that they have to be signed and developed. We get to experience the artistry, so I really like it when they roll out an artist with a project, man. That's really dope that they do that. Usually I have like a background talking about an artist, what I'm expecting, what I'm looking forward to, but obviously this case is different. This is a new artist, okay? So there's not much context to pull from. Of course, this is just my first listen. This is my first review reaction. Most times, if things do change over time, I'll come back again and update you guys. Nonetheless, I'm excited to check out this artist. It's a 5-track EP, very short, simple. So with that being said, let's get right into the EP, okay? This one is called Ayra Starr. Just again, like a self-titled, brilliant self-titled EP. Just as it was with Rema, again, like it only makes sense. It just makes sense to do it that way. Obviously, just from the artwork, you can see how cherry, how poppy this might sound or this might feel, because like she's having a party cup in her hand, so it's obviously like a party setting, very good vibes, happy cherry kind of atmosphere. That's what I'm getting from the cover so far. I'm excited, guys. Let's get right into it. The first track, Away. Nice guitar riff in the beginning, man. Let's go. Smooth. Hey. Alright. Now I hear it. Just from the first few seconds, I could hear it. It's blazing right in your face. It's obvious, guys. People definitely will hear it. Like, I know people are saying this before, and I don't even want to make it a whole thing about it. But just off of the first, like, 10 seconds off of that, as soon as I hear her, everyone immediately, the first name that comes right at you, that jumps at you, is Thames. Yeah, they're already thinking, oh man, this is Thames, this is too much like Thames, but this is like, you can obviously hear it. And Thames' style for me, it's not that unique to say another artist didn't already develop this kind of style just coming up already. So it might just be a coincidence that they just happen to coming up at the same time. But Thames is like, obviously has her own element. I can't say too much off of 10 seconds, but we need to hear the whole thing to hear if she has her own twist to it, if she has her own, like, something that makes her stand out, something unique to her, you know? Hey. I love the confidence. This is chill, man. Okay, vocals. Yo, that was dope. I'm sorry, man. I don't know the effect of that hook when it just started. Nah, let's run that back. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, this is dope. Okay, get away, take away your trouble. Let her be. Hey. Alright, hey. Oh, I love the atmosphere, man. What a first track. What a first intro track into this artist. What a record, bro. That was strong. That was strong. Very, very, very chilled. Obviously, very low tempo. Obviously, this is her trying to get away from somebody that is obsessed with her, and she's trying to like to set the boundaries here and basically say away, get away, basically. And fam, the atmosphere of the song, the emotions behind the delivery, vocally speaking, she is very good. Like, this is very good. Like, those notes that she hit, and she was clean. She was clean on them. And I'm like, bruh, this is definitely a score. A score for Mavens, because this is real talent right here. Obviously, it reminds me of Oxlade's Away, how repetitive that hook was. I think this was almost like a similar formula in that way, that making a hook out of the word away, just playing with the words and making it stick. And I feel like I gravitated very strongly to the hook. Like, it was very dope. The chorus is amazing, man. Now let's see what's gonna follow that up. This is Ija. Oof. Okay, let's go. Wait, this is reminding me of Made in Lagos. It's a little bit paced up on which song is it on Made in Lagos? It's fine. Why Sweet One. It reminds me of that guitar riff from Sweet One. Whiskey Sweet One. This definitely reminded me. Is it just me or the guitar? The guitar is like Sweet One, you know? Hey. Yo, I'm sorry, I'm a sucker for bass guitar, and I hear that bass guitar. As she's about to roll into the song. Nah, man, that shit was good. Let's roll that back. I am sorry, man. Let's hear that. Come on. I'm already there. Okay, Harmony. I'm sorry, but I can't take Whiskey Sweet One out of it. Where did Thames walk in? She has a very similar vocal texture to Thames, and it's like, it's hard for people not to like see the difference, you know? Yo, this bass guitar, bro. The bass guitar is still in the show for me, man. Okay, so this song, I'm like kind of iffy on this song a little bit. Like, the melody of Sweet One comes to mind every time I hear that guitar riff, man. Another thing I needed to point out was the bass, bro, the bass guitar. The guy was doing too much. Whoever was behind the bass guitar, yeah, my guy you were doing a lot, but I liked it, but it was too much. Like, I was trying to like concentrate on the singer doing her thing. But honestly, like, I feel like the hook is it's smooth, it's very jazzy, it's very loungy. It feels like you just want to chill and wind down to this. I like the atmosphere of it. It reminded me of Made in Lagos. Very chilled, very like no stress kind of vibe, very low tempo. Her delivery, I'm starting to see its shape in different ways. I think she definitely has a pocket where like she gets really comfortable, and her she plays with her vocal texture. She has different ranges, and she plays with her ranges too. So I like that she does that. She's hitting notes. She's challenging herself. She's not basic when it comes to singing at all, and I like that. This is not basic delivery that she's giving. She's actually serving on every run that she does. Her runs are sick. Like, I'm actually a fan of her runs, and that's one thing I could say I'm definitely loving so far. But this particular song for me didn't really strike me. The chorus of the melody wasn't really memorable. It wasn't striking enough. I think most of what I took away was her runs in many pockets and the amazing bass guitar. And I think that was just what did it for me for the song. I don't think it's something I'll gravitate to or rush back to that I want to replay. Obviously, Away is still what's like stuck with me, and this one not so much honestly. Next one is DITR. Now the term DITR, I'm not too sure what that means. Man, all the guitars on this record, man. Shout out to you. Yes.
It's hard.
Oof.
DITR.
I'm noticing something. She has not even played around in anything Afrobeat-ish. She hasn't made any like Nigerian lingo or nothing. Like I could. Basically, I'm seeing her as an international product already. Like so far, I'm hearing her music that appeals to not just anyone in like within the shores of Nigerian culture. But I think this is like she hasn't made much ties into anything Nigerian. Do you know what I mean? So far, even sonically speaking, she hasn't made any hints, any Afro influence whatsoever. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, and it's interesting to pick that. I'm 3 tracks in and nothing resembling Afrobeat has come up or anything resembling Afropop or even Afro R&B. I don't even know if I can put that in that category, you know. So far it's just rich R&B and soul that I'm hearing so far. Oh shit, okay, now we're hearing more lingo. Let's go. Those 808s are hitting, man. Okay. Now, off the joint, like, if you're not a fan of R&B and soul, you're not gonna be feeling this album so far. Like, you know, if you're like a listener that wants, like, you don't feel the Ari Lennox or the Summer Walkers or, you know what I mean, like rich R&B, I don't think you'd be obsessed to be head over heels over this project so far. But nonetheless, this song was interesting. This song actually picked up some skill set that I can attribute to her so far. I think the songwriting on this particular song was pretty good. Just from the subject matter of the song, I think this is a song where she channels the relationship between a parent and a child, that you can hear things like your child is changing, she started drinking, she's doing drugs now to end his feelings. I think it talks about the dynamic between, even within the Nigerian context, Nigerian parents and their kids, and then that disconnect with Nigerian kids not understanding the teenager, the struggles that the teenager has to go through. And I think there was a huge disconnect. I think the song was to right towards that. Okay, like there are feelings that this person is trying to drown with the alcohol, with the drugs, and we need to address that. So I think in a way this kind of touched on mental health, and it's kind of interesting that she did that as well. She also touched from a perspective of a boy as well in the second verse, where she was talking about, oh, this boy has joined cults, he's skipping up on school. Yeah, just basically he's wayward now. He has joined bad gang basically, and I can attribute the songwriting here. I could say, okay, this was good for her to touch on different perspectives, not just hers. So it was kind of nice to see. Overall though, the vibe blends in perfectly with the entire EP. This is so cohesive so far. Next track, SARE. Everything is so soulful here, man.
I can't apologize.
Ooh, actually came in there. Nah. She came in really aggressive. I am sorry. Let's run that back. What? I didn't see that coming. Why? Why would you apologize for having this kind of voice? Are you mad? Sing it. Hey, are you mad? Hey. Yo, this is what we're talking about, man. Let's go. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Don Jazzy, where you find this one, man? How? Eh? Oh, I love this flow. I love the cadence. Let's go. Runs, man. Are you hearing this? Yo, this is mad. Bro, I'm sorry. What did I just hear? What did I just hear? Nah, man. Come on. Nah, let's run that back. This is mad. This is impressive, bro. This is impressive. Runs! Runs! Are you kidding me, bro? This is a singer. Are you kidding me? Come on. Nah. This talent is raw. The talent is raw here. I am sorry. This is mad. Nah, this is clearly a very gifted singer, man. Clearly. Let's talk about songwriting. The choices that she made on this song, brilliant. Just absolutely brilliant. The bridge. That's one of the best bridges I've heard in a while, bro. That bridge, that Yoruba bridge, where she nah, bro. I don't even know where she from. Is she Yoruba? Because it was too fluent. It was just flowing. Like, her Yoruba is strong too, man. Nah, bro. This song was very impressive. This song was very, very impressive. Just from the first second she came in strong, and she just rode that wave and consistently killing and bodying the record. This is absolutely her best song. I'm sorry. This has to be her best song so far. This has to be the best song so far. Like, trust me. Obviously, the song narrative here is just her declaring her love for somebody, telling how much she wants to take over the world with this person. And it was a beautiful song, beautiful rendition and expression of love here. It's such a beautiful song, man. It's such a beautiful song, man. Yeah, absolutely my favorite so far. What? Are you mad? Are you mad, bro? This is absolutely, this is a strong one. That bridge, I just can't get over that bridge. I did not see that coming. I did not. So it turns out that the outro of the song, SARE, was actually an interpolation from Lidadru's Sisters. And I just found that gem. Shout out to Dabira that sent me this. And it's absolutely a gem to find because she definitely blended this in so effortlessly. Like, it works so well. I'm honestly like blown away so far. This is actually good stuff. This is something that could work, honestly. Under Don Jazzy's hands, I'm sorry, she's taking off, man. She's taking off. Like, she's gone. She's out of here. We're just gonna wrap it up now with the last song, Memories. To follow a song like SARE. I'm sorry, but SARE would have made sense for a closer, but let's see how this one ends, man. Memories. Let's see how we wrap everything up. Okay? Okay? I think towards the end, she started infusing the Afro influence here a little bit. Okay? Okay. Dope. Wow, Ayra Starr. Oof, man, what an introduction, man. Like, what an introduction. That was amazing. That was an amazing listen from the first spin. I know immediately, just off the gate, what I'm gravitating to. Easily. SARE, I want to play the song again right now. That's how bad. Like, I don't want to even like wrap up and give my takeaways. I would really want to play that song again. So let me have a moment. By the way, I'll get back to you. I'm sorry, the presence, the aggression. Bro. I'm sorry, man. Bro, how did you... that's a song. That's what you call a song. Overall, a great first impression. A great first impression. Sonically speaking, this is a very, very, very clean... You can tell she's well-trained vocalist. Like, you can hear it. Maybe there's a part of it's just natural and there's a part of it, I'm sure. Those runs she does, the confidence for her to jump on those runs off the gate, man. Off the gate. Look at the intro of SARE. Look at the intro. Go and listen to that intro. I'm sorry, man. The confidence is booming. Like, she's way too confident for someone that's just rolling out into just way too confident. Like, obviously this is someone that has been trained over time. You can hear it. You can hear the experience already at such a young point in her career, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. Obviously, like, having a camp, like having a support system like Maven, bro, she's out of here. She is gone. Obviously, a lot of the Thames comparisons, I can see why people would make those comparisons. It makes sense. There's certain pockets that she goes into that you can see the delivery and the vocal texture is very similar to that of Thames, but I think she grows beyond that. She stretches in and out of it, so it's like she sounds like Thames for like a glimpse of a second, so maybe 2 or 3 lines, but she stretches herself out of that Thames pocket, you know what I mean? Thames obviously being her own unique sound, that she has her own unique voice. Don't get me wrong, Thames is unique in her own sense, but I feel like Ayra, I don't even know how to say her name. Ayra Starr here sounds she sounds very well like a mix of a whole bunch of, if you want to put like a whole bunch of female vocalists, like she definitely doesn't sound like Thames. I could hear a very clean, generic sounding R&B and soul voice. You know what I mean? Like it's not necessarily like a Thames thing. I wouldn't really say it's overwhelmingly sounding like Thames. You know what I mean? There's moments where she does sound like Thames, but I don't think it's that obvious. But the first couple bars where you hear her voice, you hear Thames though. You hear Thames on those bars. But far beyond that song, I think there's a lot more to her than just sounding like Thames, rather. You know what I mean? And for her, she's definitely gonna evolve and grow into her own sound. She's gonna pick up her own like identity as a vocalist. So over time, I'm sure she's gonna do that. But for her first time, for her first record, for her first album, this was very good. Like, this was honestly very good. And the first track got me excited. Second track, Ija didn't really strike me as much. The melody wasn't really memorable. I couldn't remember how it went. By the way, very cohesive. Everything was very solemn, very soulful. Not a lot of strong Nigerian influence on the first couple records, but towards the end, we're hearing that in the songwriting. Like African instruments or Afrobeat instruments started coming in at SARE and Memories. And before that, it just sounded like something that could sell in the West, basically. And Memories was sort of weak in my opinion. It wasn't really a strong way to like see us out of the album, but I'm not mad at it. But yeah, very strong introduction to the artist. I am excited. And now for my favorites, obviously I've said it enough. I cannot express how much I love the song, SARE. And another favorite of mine would be Away. For my least favorite now, the songs that I was not too fond of, were kind of weak moments for the entire project. I would say Ija, and Memories. Now for my final rating. Okay, my final rating for Ayra Starr self-titled EP. And let me know what you guys think about it. What number or how would you rate it out of 10? Of course, leave it in the comment section. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, if this is your first time, my name is Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. I have two channels actually. This channel, and I have my main channel where I do everything around music content. But over here I review and react to it. So there's other content there to explore. But this channel is strictly my review and reactions. So definitely subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell as well so you know when I'm dropping. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.